Hi everyone, this is Malvika Jain from Bangalore working as Head of Marketing at LeadzIn. Well, here I am to show you how you can make money online sitting at your comfort level using the smartphone and generate minimum 50,000 to 1 lakh in just a month. Exciting, right? So let's get started. But before that, if you are serious towards your career, maybe you're a housewife, student, or maybe you're a professional worker working 9 to 5 and still want to create good side income, then this video can change your financial condition. So stay till the end of LeadzIn is India's leading edtech platform providing Indian youth a better future in terms of financial freedom. Well, the sky is the limit with what you could achieve with the help of our courses. Talking about our management, we have Hussain Khalil, who is CEO and the founder, as well as Ali Asghar Khalil, who is the co-founder of LeadzIn. Now you might be thinking that who all can grab this opportunity, right? So any students who wants to complete his or her dreams, housewife who wants to help her family in terms of financial condition, a job person who has 9 to 5 job but wants to create a good side income with the help of our business, a youngster who wants to be who wants to stand on his legs and wants financial freedom, any person with positive and growth mindset. You all can start, and you all are eligible to join this business. There is no age limit, there is no age criteria, or maybe there is no qualification required. Well, you might be asking, what are the benefits of LeadzIn after you join here? So very first thing is you can work from anywhere and everywhere because you just need is a smartphone and internet connection to work. Rest, you can work from any part of the world. And the second thing is you just need your smartphone, and minimum you just have to work for 2 to 3 hours in a day. Also, after you get yourself registered here, you will be receiving an offer letter from LeadzIn. You can minimum, that is the minimum earnings you can earn is, you can earn 3,500 to 12,000 in a week, which is just the minimum income you can earn. Here there is no targets given to you, or maybe here you are not given any burden here. You are your own boss here. Professional, you will be trained by the professionals, by your own mentors, as well as the head of business. You have unlimited earning opportunities here. There is very less investment, and also the biggest advantage is you don't have to have any experience, any qualifications here. You can start from zero. Well, I will just take you to an overview of our courses. You have 5 different types of courses here. All the courses are in the video format, that is the 4K HD quality. You will be provided with daily live trainings. You will also get weekly payouts, that is every week on Monday you will receive your payouts. Step-by-step trainings will be provided to you how you can start your work from the scratch. Also, English subtitles are also available. Here, the second income stream is a job placements, wherein you will be getting 100% job placements into corporate sectors, that is US, UK based companies with a salary of up to 3.16 lakhs per annum. Okay, and this is not the only benefits, we have a lot of benefits still. Okay, now we will be talking that what are the courses we provide you. So here are the courses which we provide. There are 5 different types of courses. Very first course is the Lead Generation Basic, Lead Generation Standard, Lead Generation Professional, Facebook Arts Mastery course, and also the Quora Marketing course. Well, now I'll be talking about the commission structure here. So now, for an example, you are referring a course to Lakshmi, wherein you will be getting straight away 3,500 of commission, which is the direct sale you're doing. For example, again, Lakshmi does refer to an XYZ person, maybe Adi, okay, and that is the second level sale you do, in which you get 100 rupees as your passive income. In total, you have earned 3,600. So what is the total commission? Exactly, that's 3,600, and it's the minimum income you can earn in a single day. Well, I'll give you a glimpse that why you should choose LeadzIn. Here are our company's legalities. We are ISO certified. We also have Udyam certificate. We have MCA registered certificate, in which it's clearly told that LeadzIn is government registered company. We have our weekly payouts. Like every Monday you get your payouts. Also, we have our passive income opportunity. We have two income streams in internet marketing, that is the active income as well as the passive income. And also you get the biggest advantage of the career guidance trainings. You also have job placements opportunities. Also here we do have an opportunity to earn into dirhams even while being and staying in. So with the help of these courses, our students have generated more than 10 lakhs of income just by the help of these courses. And the best thing is, you don't have to have any knowledge, any experience. You don't have to sit 9 to 5 and work continuously. You are your own boss here. Right now, if you are serious to make 50,000 to 1 lakh in a month, sitting at your comfort level and very serious towards your career, just DM the person who has sent you this video link and ask them the further procedure to join our business. Best of luck, guys, and hope to see you in our business, making into lakhs, earning into lakhs. Thank you so much. And